Today I will create a 3D model of a bearing. It is the inner side of outer side of the bearing ring. So I will go to from plane sketch and sketch center line from this side to this side. Make sure it is vertical, and again the center line from this side to this side. Make sure it is horizontal and click OK. Now choose a center rectangle, sketch a center rectangle in this place. Now assign the dimension. It will be 30 mm, enter, and just I will see the 2D drawing. It is the 2D drawing of the bearing. Now this distance 130, full distance is 130. Now it will be 150, 65, 130 of the 50 divided by 2. Just click this distance from this side to this side. With 130 divided by 2, enter, 65. Yes, and this side to this side, this it will be the inner diameter of the ring. It will be just this 106, 50 or 56, 106 divided by 2. Just click 106 divided by 2. Enter. Yes, it is 53. Okay. Now I will sketch the 3-point arc from this side to this side. Yes, click OK. Now select OK. Smart dimension, this point to this point, it will be 6.5. It will be 6.5. Enter. And again this side point to this point, 6.5. 6.5, enter, and this circle, and click OK, and this circle actually, and again choose a smart dimension. This radius will be 12 mm. This radius will be 12 mm. Click enter, and now this distance, this line to this point distance will be 8 mm. By default 8.6. Yeah. Select OK. Just I'll delete it. Actually don't need it because I keep the 12 mm radius from this to this. So I trim this inner side. Now our geometry is fully defined. So I will click and drag it there. I'll go to feature and click revolve face boss and click this. Yeah, now our outer ring is ready. This is outer ring of the bearing. So I'll click OK. Yes, this the outer ring of the bearing. Yes. Thank you for watching. Yeah, this booking now side or outer side or both side. Yes. Booking now. I'll go to appearance. I will change the color. Brush. With this and this color. This and click OK. Now this is looking good. Yes, thank you.